What's up guys, welcome again to Kuma Elite. Today we're going to be talking about the MP5 SD conversion. Right now it's 11:44 a.m. I dropped off my daughter early to school, so we have time to finish up all the customers' order. The MP5 SD that I noticed is that there's a mounting options for a lot of people when you have your configuration from other brands or companies. There's nothing much you can do with it besides having an MP5 SD look. So that's why I came out with let me bring it out. It's to show my latest one yet. Which one's wired up? Okay, the SureFire. This one's wired up. So I created where you can mount it on. You push your pressure pads. Oops, let me adjust it. You put your pressure pad switch, mount your your lights, and then I was like, okay. Another thing was, how do you do vertical foregrips? So I made probably like 4 or 5 different variations, printed it all out, and it was like, something is missing. The one I made that I was gonna take pictures of, that's why I still say pictures not available yet. It's coming soon because I wasn't 100% ready to release it. Because the one that I have right now, I kind of disliked it until I fix it up some more. Because I'm trying to add a solution for everyone's issue after doing the MP5 SD conversion is where's your mounting point? Because you're losing your mounting to this. This is going to be gone, and this pen right here, right now, you can't mount anything. That's why I came out and just do this for myself. And I know a lot of people aren't going to do that, so I added a QD mount setup. So this is how it looks like. So just took it off my stand. So I added a metal QD mount, MAGPUL. So that way it can work with your MAGPUL slings. This is a MAGPUL slings. Everyone should know this one. This is that padded one. I like those. Boom. Clip on. Let's see how it looks like on it. So let's take off this OEM handguard. Let me put this on the stand so you guys can look at it while I take off the other one. Let's put it right there so you guys can look at it. Let me take the screw real quick. Okay, set it up. Let's take this factory one off. There you go. Always keep your pen, because it's better to use factory ones. And also I've updated the vertical foregrips for all my handguards now. They're gonna look different. Whoever ordered vertical foregrips, the wire tucking is different. I'll show you guys in a different video or maybe after this because they're getting cured right now. It's the newest models. So whoever ordered theirs, enjoy. Price can be the same for you guys. There's nothing changed. Even for the original look ones, they've all been updated. Because we have a new vertical foregrip system. So in the future, I actually created a few vertical foregrips that are exchangeable. That you could use this for like a different setup or whatever. Just take it off, add like a different version when I'm ready to release it. But yeah. I should put it this side. I like it this side better. That put all the way. Oh, if I push it a little bit. There we go. No, see, it doesn't move. I don't know why the factory one, when you press on it, it bounces up at the back, like this, bounce up right here. It's weird. I just realized that today. I never realized that before. Okay, let me put it on. Put the screw at the bottom. And have a vertical foregrip. There we go. I always forget about this wire. There you go. See how quick that was? Just do a handguard swap. Mad easy. There we go. And then, boom. I'll place them out. QD. I like this setup because I don't use any QD on this side. I basically just use the strap. I don't hit my monitor by accident. So I like to tie it right here for this MAGPUL one. That's the most comfortable I find because it gets too near where my chest is at. And then after I get to adjust this thing, you know, back and forth, and then I just release this. Very stock. So I'll have it like near my chest, and then after when I just drop it down, I just right into where my shoulder is at. So yeah, goes back up. That's why I love this stock. It's like I try to use other stock and I just don't feel comfortable with it. There we go. Hopefully the rest of the video earlier wasn't that blurry. I forgot to refocus it, but yeah. Yeah, I've placed it mounted and it's steel. MAGPUL. This is a MAGPUL QD mount. So it's made for it. So yeah. It's not gonna fall out anything. Now I get to remove this. But I actually had a Loctite. So I'm gonna take that out. Because I don't need this anymore. I'm gonna keep this one. This is fun. See? It's nice. Oops, sorry. There we go. I just changed the finish also. So the finish looks like this. It's not as flat as this anymore. So it's not gonna look flat. The OEM one, they're kind of like flat looking a little bit, but I was like, I'll just make it look like this. Looks better. There you go. Vertical foregrip. And now you got path switch, lighting system. Yeah. All set up for you. And new vertical foregrip where you get to put your pressure path switch, they're different. You're not gonna have a whole like weird looking hole anymore, I guess I would call it. To me now is weird. So whoever had the old one, contact me. I could upgrade it for you guys. Let me know. We can work something out. And yeah, all the vertical foregrip right now is how it's been upgraded. I'm not sure if I should show it. I don't think I have it in this office. One second. Maybe pause. We'll grab it. Okay, so back with the MP5K. We got the update. I didn't bring the firearm out, but I'm gonna show you guys how it looks like. So the rail now is gonna be on the top corner. Pressure path switch, move more to the forward, so you can hold like this. Press it. This is for the SC07 for the SureFire. You just basically slide it in. It's all Canon now. I mean, offset it to this degree. Oops. My gloves is not. Oh, my screen doesn't like my gloves. Another one. I forgot which version was this one, but it's the SureFire also. I think with this pressure pad switch. I'm not sure if you guys see it. This thingamajig pressure pad switch that goes in here. So yeah, this is the only one that has a cover on it. Everything else doesn't have covers anymore. So basically you slide the C07 in here, then you just mount this inside, cover back up. Why are you not tracking my hands correctly? And my gloves are blue. That's so weird, but yeah. So you hook up to your SureFire light. And then for the vertical foregrips, this is the chains that we did. But yeah, vertical foregrips has been changed. Here you go. See, there's no holes that slides up anymore. Basically, this comes off. Put in your wire through, put it back in, screw it back up, done. Vertical foregrip, MP5K. That's the Streamlight. And then this is for the ST07. Like I said, these are they're exchangeable. You could basically take this, swap it over to this. So one day you'll be like, you know what? I'll just buy this set and just add this vertical foregrip into your cart, and then you get to change it back and forth. They both work. So you don't have to pay full price for 2 different handguards. You basically buy one handguard, buy a vertical foregrip, and there you go, exchangeable. For the MP5 cable, we'll only work with the MP5Ks. The MP5s will only work with MP5. The MP5 SD's conversion will only work with the MP5 SD conversion. Despite the way it's cut out. So I'll make different variations so that way you'll see. This is for the full size now. The full size, that's how it looks like. I said I was gonna keep this video short and only talk about that, but I might as well just continue. Here you go. The way it comes off, maybe I just show you guys now, because the guys are receiving it, they're gonna need to know how to install it anyway. I guess we're just gonna show them. So, I put a screw in there, M5 hex key. I always use a screwdriver like this. Look, hentai stickers. I got bored. This is it. I use it at work so people don't steal my stuff. So I label like that so no one steals it. They'll look at it and they feel ill. Yeah, comes off. Vertical foregrip, exchangeable. There you go. Just put your light and stuff. Your wires through. You just put it back in. Hold it upside down to make it a lot easier for you guys, and then just screw it this way. You can make it tight, but not fully tight. There's no need to make it like, you know, like that. You know, there's no point to force it. Vertical foregrips. They've all been updated. They're gonna be new pictures in like a little bit. I'm trying to do this video first, and then start taking photos. There's a lot of photos to take off and a lot of photos to update. I need to make, you know, I guess what you can call it, advertisement photos, and then get banned from different subreddit pages because they think you're just advertising. Weirdos. You guys are weird. Ban people just to put stuff up online. What am I gonna do? Sell this shit on Craigslist? But yeah, enough nagging. But yeah, vertical foregrip MP5 SD. If you guys want it, boom, there we go. If you guys have any other updates you guys want to do, just continue emailing me. Hey, Kuma, you know what? I've seen you guys did this. Blah 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 blah. There you go. Let me know what do you want made for this, you know, platform, and I'll just keep continuing. But as for right now, I'm gonna be continue updating the photos, making more installation videos, and trying to tidy down this area and find a new place to paint my products, because she's like, Daddy, where are you? Okay, and then I have to run away and stuff like that. But she should be home in like a few hours, so I have to get ready. Yeah, MP5 SD handguards. I don't know what else to say. Besides, that was a long few cutoff area that I had to, you know, find a way to install these things and show you guys the updates. But yeah, enjoy the updates. The guys who ordered, we're shipping out tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. So yeah, you guys will receive like this. Just pop it out, unscrew it, take the insert out. The insert, you guys will see it. I don't want to show on video because I don't know if you want to look at it, but the guys who wants it, buy it. You'll see an insert in there. You'll remove the insert, remove it nicely, put your wires through, press the insert back in, and then afterwards screw it back on, and then just mount it on your firearm and enjoy. Everything's set up. You don't have to put any other screws onto it, and it's ready to ship out as soon as possible. Everything's ready. I have everything ready for you guys, all set up, all in stock. So yeah, enjoy. Thank you for watching. If you watched this far to see all about the updates, and thank you.